discuss about the project title Disease Detection in Chilli Plant and Remote Monitoring of Agriculture Parameters. The studies of the plant disease has been widely researched to detect abnormalities in plant growth using visual observable patterns on the plant. Plant monitoring and disease detection is needed to ensure sustainability in agriculture. However, it is usually very difficult to monitor the plant disease manually as they require real-time and precision detection. So, the main objective of this project was depended to predict the chili plant disease by analyzing its leaf images using CNN algorithm. Requirements. Hardware requirements: we need operating system Windows, processor i5 and above, RAM should be 4 GB and above. Coming to the hard disk, it should be 20 GB and above. Software requirements: we need to install Python with a version of 3.7. Methodologies. First module, these are the modules we have going to design for the project to execute. First module, upload chili plant image dataset. By this module, we are going to upload the dataset to this application. Second module, image pre-processing and normalization. Using this module, we are going to take the images and read, and then we are going to train with the normalization pictures of the images which we are taking for the chili plant detection disease. The next module, train CNN model. Using this module, we are going to train the CNN model based upon the application percentage, 80% of dataset for training part and 20% of dataset for the testing part. So after applying 80% of training part to the CNN algorithm, we will build the CNN model. Then we are going to test the CNN model and get the accuracy score, precision and recall score. Then coming to the next model, that is upload test image and predict diseases. So by this module, we are going to upload the test image and predict that their disease which is having in the test images are having the diseases or not by predicting with the CNN algorithm. Then last module, that is accuracy and loss graph. Using this module, we are going to plot the graphical representation of CNN model, that is accuracy and loss. Execution. Now coming to the execution, close this file and open the code file. This is the code file, consists of dataset file which contains both affected leaves and not affected leaves. Then coming to the next folder, that is model folder, which consists of pickle files and .h5 files. Pickle file is a serialized data format in Python used for object serialization. It allows you to save Python objects into a file and later load them back into the memory. And coming to the .h5 files, which contains algorithm information and also can be loaded into the project code during runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks such as making prediction on the new data or performing specific operations. Then next, here this is the main code file and this is runbat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the program. By clicking double tap on it, it leads to the user graphical interface which is interactive to the program user. Then first button, upload chili plant image dataset. By clicking this button, you can see the dialog box and select the entire folder of the dataset. So select it. Here you can see the dataset is loaded. Now image pre-processing and normalization. By clicking this button, the image it takes and it will read the image and it will normalize the image. Now close this image and go to the next button, that is trained CNN model. By clicking this button, you can see in the back console the CNN algorithm will be trained, and in the graphical representation, graphical user interface, we can see the accuracy level of CNN model. The next button, upload test image and predict disease. By this button, you can see the test images which are used to test the CNN model. So I am going to select the random image. So it shows that chili disease recognized as pepper belt healthy. So this is the leaf that is contains no diseases. It is healthy. So now close this one and test with the another image. So here chilli disease recognized as pepper pelt bacteria spot. So this contains the bacteria. In this process we are going to predict the different types of diseases based upon the plants. Now in this project we have taken the chilli plant disease detection. Then coming to the next button, that is accuracy and loss graph. By clicking this button you can lead into the graphical representation of accuracy and loss. So in the x-axis you can see the iterations which are done in the CNN algorithm, and in the y-axis you can see the accuracy and loss count. Now in this graphical representation, the green color line represents the accuracy which is increasing to the increase in the iterations, and next in the below blue color line indicates the loss graph which is decreasing based upon the decrease in the iterations. Okay, now close this one and exit the code. This is the complete code of chilli leaf detection. Now go to the conclusion. So in this project we have proposed chilli plant disease to predict the model based upon the CNN algorithm. So by this CNN algorithm, classification of background images and normalization based upon the CNN algorithm is predicted as best performance in the accuracy in this project of detecting the chilli plant affected by diseases.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.